So if you're looking for a mobile solution, whether you're podcasting or streaming from your kitchen, your bedroom, or on the go on the road, look no further than the Synido Live Dock Live 10 audio adapter, which is fantastic for mobile streaming, mobile recording, anything that you're going to use your mobile device for. Particularly, I'm thinking of a phone. That's right. This is going to be the fantastic solution for all you mobile device streamers and recorders out there. This is the device that's going to allow you to connect your microphones, such as even an XLR microphone or a audio interface like such, which you need to connect your XLR microphone, and from there route your audio out into the dock, into your phone, and capture all of your fantastic audio and video with your mobile device. And I'm going to show you a little demonstration of what that could look like. As cool and snazzy. Does anybody use snazzy? That's like from the 50s. This is going to slap. Stop. This I'm going to show you is total gas. Why they use gas. Gas is like not a good thing. You have gas, you pass what? But before we get started, it is a giveaway alert. That's right, Techies and Gamers. Not only will I be showing you how this thing works in all of its beautiful glory, I will also be giving away one of these to one of my awesome subscribers out there in the audience. Thank you for your support and dedication to follow me around the world. What? You will be earning yourself a chance to earn yourself one of these Live 10 docks by Synido simply by doing two things. One, be sure you're a subscriber first and foremost because, well, you guys support me. I want to support you back. And two, leave in the comments stating what would you use a device like this for and how would you set this up in your streaming, your recording, your content creation. Interested to see what are the creative ways that you guys may want to utilize a device like this. And disclaimer, know that YouTube is not sponsoring this in any way, form, or fashion. So please absolve them of any responsibility or anything like that regarding this giveaway. This device has been provided to me by Synido themselves, and an additional one to give away to one of you fantastic subscribers out there looking to create awesome content. I guess kind of like mine's. Maybe my content sucks. What? Though they are sponsoring in typical fashion. No, I'll be giving my honest review. I'll let you know what could use improvement with any device on this channel, really. Let's go ahead and look at what we get in our box for our... How much this costs? It costs that much. I don't know off the top, but that's how much it costs. Cool device. I like the way it looks. Small and compact to travel with. Monitoring port. You have a USB-C port on the bottom for charging your device. And you have the aux in, which is where you're going to connect your device to get audio into your iPhone for recording and streaming. You have a loop back button, which you can turn on and off, and when you click any of those buttons, you will see that it goes red to be off, which gives you the signal is off, and then green to let you know it's on. Aux in volume here, that's right. You can press up and down for your mixer, which is my interface, or whatever device, line in device you have coming into your iPhone. You have a monitoring volume rocker, and then there's a quick switch mute, right? You press that button, it will mute your monitoring so that way you don't hear your microphone going into your iPhones. Also in the box, you get your huge instrumental adapter to go with it. You also get a little lightning adapter for all my iPhone users who still rocking the iPhone 14s and below. They also were nice to include one of their, I guess, color scheme Velcro straps here to do a little bit of cable management, because this can get a little crazy here with all of these cables. So I guess you would want to like wrap this around. And then you get your inspection has been qualified to let you know that this has qualified for sale because it's not defective. We hope. Sometimes some of them slip through the cracks. Right now I'm using an interface by Mono, and I have it going through the monitor out port on the back of that. So that is how I'm getting my microphone here going out from here into the dock right here and into my iPhone, and I can get audio directly into my iPhone, including all of the effects. Yep, all of the effects you can use from your mobile device, well, your interface. Gonna go into your iPhone, and well, it's connected via USB-C, so if I get audio coming from my computer, that as well is going to route through the interface and into the adapter into the iPhone. All of it works pretty seamlessly, actually, plug and play. So here we are with the Synido Live Dock 10 Live 10 dock adapter for your mobile devices. That's right, for on-the-go mobile solutions, and this is kind of the sound you would get working with an actual XLR microphone connected to an actual mixer. And well, I can't put the dock in here because it's connected to the phone, and you will sound fantastic and look fantastic even with the front facing camera here in cinematic mode. Yeah, so how do I look? How do I sound? And if you wanted to make the switch from a DSLR, you don't have a DSLR, don't want to spend that money, and you already got an iPhone, you can switch right over to your iPhone like such and get some fantastic audio and video quality directly into your iPhone through a mixer, which is fantastic because now with the mixer, you can pull audio in from other sources, multiple sources from your mixer, from your PC, and you can get audio sources coming from the dock, right? The Live Dock with Bluetooth, because there's Bluetooth connectivity, so I can get another Bluetooth device connected and routed into it. So there's a lot of audio routing options when you're using an interface and included with the Live Dock. And it kind of reduces any of the limitations you might have with audio routing and microphone routing, right? So it has its benefits, and you can use it just like such in landscape mode. If you wanted to go fully professionally with just a mobile device, I might need like another camera or video feed so I can see and stay in shot with my back camera, which you want to use on your iPhone. Looks fantastic, professional, yes. And it's professional on a budget. Yep. You have your iPhone, you already spend money on that, so you don't have to buy no other camera. What do you think of this quality right here with a mobile device in cinematic mode? Techies and gamers, I can live stream utilizing professional microphone, utilizing special effects with my voice. I can drop it down because I have the interface to control the audio and the pitch of my voice and make it sound high pitch. And I have quick buttons to turn myself to a robot, which is kind of cool. Then I can turn myself to a male, because I'm not a male yet. What?
Female? This doesn't sound like a female. If it sounds like a female with a higher pitch voice, what? And it could sound like a baby, so.
There are plenty of options here for auto-tuning your voice, and you can sing. What? Damn, my voice cracked. Cracked even in auto-tune. God. So can I recommend this as a solution for mobile usage, right? Podcasting on the go. You want to live stream or record from anywhere, indoors or outdoors. The Live Dock is actually a pretty good option. It has its pros. One, I like the USB-C connection. It's pretty sturdy and it's not going to disconnect from your mobile device that easily. Another pro is that I didn't think it would have Bluetooth, but that little flat disc comes with Bluetooth, so you can import another source of audio or sounds. You can bring in another audio source like a mixer, which has tons of features built into it, including sound effects and changing your voice, denoise, that sort of thing, controlling your levels of your microphone, you name it. Tons of controls at your hands that can connect to your dock. Another pro is that you can monitor directly through the dock, and it has monitor volume controls, whether you want to boost the monitoring up high or low, or just mute it with a one-click switch to mute your mic monitoring so you don't hear yourself. It's pretty good bang for your buck for what it does and how it works, and the functionality of everything seeming to work seemingly perfectly. Actually, I haven't had any hiccups utilizing with my mobile device. I know sometimes I connect some devices to try to get external mic audio into the iPhone or iPad and it doesn't work. This automatically picked up the microphone, even an XLR mic like this. So yeah, that's all I got for you. Great device for the price. If you're interested, links are in the description. Go ahead and cop yourself one. And with that, I'll see you in my next awesome video. What else I got for you? Nothing? Hamburgers? Damn, I'm hungry right now.